Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking immediate steps that yield quick gains. First, check battery health and note any sudden drops. Once done, enable power saving and set screen timeout to 30 seconds to cut idle drain. Make sure auto brightness is on so the phone adapts to light automatically. Next, update MIUI or Harmony OS and all apps to their latest stable builds, because system fixes often resolve hidden battery drains. Now move to configuring background activity. Now focus on mid-level optimizations that preserve charge over a day. Open background activity control and explicitly restrict apps that you rarely use. This prevents wake clocks and constant CPU use. Once that's configured, prefer Wi-Fi to cellular because radios consume less power. Make it a habit to turn off Bluetooth and GPS when not needed. Also, adjust account sync and set fetch intervals to 30 to 60 minutes for non-critical accounts, so the system wakes less often, improving standby life. Finish with advanced settings and a clear troubleshooting path. Use App Launch or Manage Apps to disable auto start for apps that restart without reason. Manual control prevents hidden processes. Once configured, rely on battery optimization and secure power saving for long days. These features throttle CPU and limit background tasks safely. If you still see abnormal drain, boot into safe mode to isolate a faulty app. And if needed, backup data and perform a factory reset to eliminate software-level faults.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.